everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing things a little bit different. If you read in the title, you saw that we're going to use Tannerite. We are, but we're going to wait till the end. We got a grill down here, probably about 10 yards, 15 yards. We're just going to kind of shoot it, see what happens, and then at the end we'll send it off with a hero's farewell. So first we're going to start out with a Gen 4 Glock 17, and we'll see what happens. I always forget. I want to go deaf. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so y'all can see we got two in here, one in here. Went through here. You can see one here, and then you can see one in there. This one actually came underneath and went straight. Oh, it went right here. Went right through the leg. But the other ones must have stopped because we got nothing on the back. So this, oh, did y'all see that? Look at this. Got a big old dent right here. It hit right. Oh, check that out. It might have gone through if it hadn't been for that sand, to be honest with you. I don't know where the other one went. All right, well, let's step it up. All right, so now we're gonna be using a Aero Precision Ar15. Jesus, almost busted my ass. Aero Precision Ar15. And we're gonna be using some 55 grain. We're gonna be using some regular and some green tip armor piercing. I think they're both going to go through, but we'll see. Maybe not. I'll crouch a little bit. Oh, get the fuck out of here. I think I put one of them. Let's go check it out. I think I put one right through the same hole as the 9mm. All right, so you can see the first one went through under here, and I swear I put one right through that second hole. Look, you can see. All right, so if you look right through there, I hit this. It's still warm. Ow, it's actually really hot. You can see some jacket. You can see some jacket down in here. There's the second one. Let's see if we got any penetration. We're gonna do that one again. Cause I don't know. I swear I went right through. We won't even worry about it. All right, so now we're gonna go to the 7mm Remington Magnum out of this Winchester XPR. All right, let's go check it out. Oh, she's smoking. So I put that one right there. Oh my, look at this. Look, it hit all this stuff. busted all that up. And then look, it exploded. And like all these little holes are shards of that bullet that came through. Oh, it's pretty crazy. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. See, it just kind of like took a chunk out of this here. All right, grand finale time. All right, so now we got it all mixed up. Pour it back into, oh, can't see you, the smaller jar. Which, all right. Put the lid back on. Now we're gonna duct tape it up real good. All right, I'm gonna go set it up. All right, so I set it up. I'll go show you because I'm gonna set you guys up here so we can do a little slow-mo action. And then the next one, we'll do it quick mode. So I got it set up right here, right on top of this little like smoker section and right in front of this. Hopefully that's a good weak point. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Set it up right there. All right, so I'm gonna set you guys up and then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna shoot it, so. Oh my God. Okay. It destroyed this. And that was only 1 pound. It blew everything off. It blew the doors out. Caved all this in, blew the lid completely. Okay, we'll do one more, and then we'll see what happens. All right, so I got the second one all mixed up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this grill around and see, because the only thing left holding this on is this right here. So I'm gonna see if we can blow the lid completely off of the grill. So give me a second. Let's say, so I got, about to see if I can rig this thing up real quick. Right at this weak spot. All right, perfect. Okay, so we did what we wanted. It's separated. The hinge is gone. So, dude, this grill has seen. Look, I blew the ass out of it too. Here's what happened to the hinge. Just separated it from the rest of it. Well guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the content, go ahead and give it a like and a subscribe. I'm trying to post weekly. This coronavirus thing's messed up my schedule a little bit last week. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.